Today's section is key spray pens $1,200. Go what store Daily West 95,000 special by all Shoutout mushrooms. Like the link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check them out. So let's into this section in 3, 2, 1.
Thank you for 95,000 subscribers. You guys are awesome.
Woo! Yeah.
It's this.
Oh, shiitake mushrooms.
Don't
post
put
that
that on YouTube.
Alright, so today we are at the Home Depot. And we got the kids. And today we're going to pick out some spray paint because we're working on a project. Carol's working on an art project. And we need spray paint.
Can we ride in a car? Like that one over there?
No, let's just... Yeah, you guys are getting too big for that. You're not babies anymore. That'll be London.
Oh, I can't use the spray paint.
No, it's not for you. It's for Mommy.
18 and up. What is it?
Alright, so we're in the paint aisle right now. Hey, get down from there. And we're looking for spray paint.
Spray paint.
I don't think it's in this aisle. Wow, look how big some of these. Like, look at all that. That's a lot of paint right there.
What about that? Is that spray paint?
No, that's like to protect your wood.
Oh.
So let's try down here.
I found brown.
Okay, so we found. No, hold on, Leanna, we're not getting a whole bunch.
We're getting brown.
So here's all the different colors that they got.
We need red.
And there's plenty to choose from here.
But I want pink. And this. Can we get this?
No. Okay, so Leland, you get to pick 2, and Leanna, you can pick 2 colors.
Okay, I got mine.
So what colors do you have, Leland? No, you got 3.
Yes,
You gotta
I know.
put 1 back. Just 2. Okay, fine, get 3. They're not that expensive. They're like under $4. Okay, so that's what you guys want?
Yeah.
So this will be great for Mommy's project then.
But I want to use it.
No.
Yeah.
These, you remember, you're choosing colors for Mommy's
Why
project.
is there spray paint here?
Alright, so this is what they all look like.
Why is there spray paint here?
I don't know, people spray painted there, I guess. Just testing it out.
Yeah.
So it's good for wood, metal, plastic, and more. So you can like paint everything.
Pretty. All
Pretty, huh?
besides your guys' car.
Alright, so we purchased our cans of spray
Pretty
paint.
heavy.
Is it?
It like has loads.
6 cans of spray paint.
I want to use the spray paint.
No, you guys, it's for Mommy.
No, we're going to
Mommy
use
told us to choose, you guys could pick the colors, but Mommy's the one doing the art project. That's granite.
Oh,
That's real granite. Yeah.
That is.
Okay, let's go. Come on.
It is
granite?
supposed to be
Wow.
Mommy's waiting on us. Mommy's waiting on us.
But we want to use it too.
Oh, it's not for kids. The spray paint is not for kids. It's 18 and up. That's right.
The little doggy. He's so cute. Dog.
Okay, so here are your colors.
Yay! Ooh, let's see what y'all picked.
I get to use it.
And the dog took a poop. Dog's taking a poop
Wait, what?
Oh, gross.
right in the Home Depot parking lot.
Oh, it's already too.
Oh, jeez. Okay.
And the dog's gonna get ran over.
You guys all chasing his dog.
Oh, people are gonna step on that.
I know, that's so gross. Well, I'm trying to film you, and then the dog was taking a crap in the background, and I'm just like, there's a dog taking a poop in the background.
Oh, like there's a lot for a little tiny dog.
Yeah.
That's a lot of-
That's awful. You think these people are gonna step in it?
Good thing they're not walking over there.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's fresh poop to step on. Alright, so anyway, here are the...
car. Oh.
So anyway, these are the colors that the kids
Picks.
pick out for your project.
No, I keep that. It's only
Ooh.
Will those
nice.
work for your art project?
Yeah.
Okay.
It'll be fun.
It's gonna be a fun project.
Yeah.
Can't wait to.
Ooh, I really like this.
You like that one?
Yeah, I really like that.
Yeah.
All right.
Ooh.
All right. So we just got back home, and this is the project right here. Hold on, Leland. This is the dresser that Carol, she's gonna work on and spray paint. As you can see, it needs a paint job. It's just been sitting here in the garage.
Look, I got from Arby's. I got glowing eye stickers.
Oh wow, cool.
And you can also.
So
get
Carol,
Bible
what
study.
do you know which colors you're gonna do for the drawers?
Well, the kids picked out a lot of kind of similar reddish kind of colors. So I'm thinking I might do the drawers so it's kind of like they get darker like as it goes from
Oh yeah,
down.
because you got 4 drawers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I thought I might kind of do that.
Okay.
And then do like the top a different color and the sides a different color and stuff.
Okay.
So
Good.
Cool.
kind of like a sunset.
Sunset, yeah.
That'll look cool. That'll look really nice.
And like blue
Or
on
like
the top
the
is the
mountains.
sky.
Or like the mountains.
All right, so we're gonna have lunch first, and then I'll take the drawers out, and we can begin the project.
Yeah.
Can't wait.
Wait, you mean? So Daddy's asleep. So we actually made a plan of us. We're gonna do spray paint the garage. Okay, so Deanna, take the camera. Door. Yeah. Okay. But we're not spray painting this door. We're spray painting that one. And there's Leland getting the bag. I got the bag. Okay, guys. Daddy had no idea, guys. He doesn't know at all what we're doing yet.
Nope.
So we're going to spray paint right here. As you can see, spray paint free. But we are going to get it all spray paint. Hooray. So what color are you doing first? Brown. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm just start out with this spray. Try it. Let him do it. Whoa, just look at. Wow. What are you spelling? Poop. My turn. No. Now I'm gonna make poop. I think that's enough. There, my turn.
That looks really good.
And
So this is what my poop looks like. That looks like, that's actually pretty good. I can say that looks really good. Oh. Okay, just don't spray in my poo. Here, you have to push it down on your thumb because it's actually pretty hard. But don't aim it at the sidewalk
I can't.
because we're not replacing that. And aim it very close. And just saying, guys, no, I actually made my shirt inside out just to be safe.
Okay, that's all for that.
Okay, now you take your camera. The camera.
No, I'm not done yet.
Aw. But we said, aw. Oh, you're making a rainbow?
I've drawn blood.
Oh, blood.
Really?
Okay, it's my turn.
Okay, look it all. It's like I'm bleeding to my bones.
Now from the garage.
Wow, just look at all these. Look, we spray painted a lot of the garage.
here if you guys didn't know.
Yeah, so if you want to do this, just make sure that it stinks. It actually smells a little bit good.
Not really.
But not when you go close to it. It absolutely stinks when you do that.
Okay, your turn.
Okay, here you go.
Don't feel like soap.
Let's see. Are you crazy?
So, that's mine. I just drew a little bit of blood.
Now it's been touched.
Really? Eat.
Shake it more. Okay, that's enough. Oh, orange. That's like yellowish. Yellowish oranges.
Oreos. You look cool.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Come on.
Spray paint.
Okay, my turn. Hold the camera. I'm gonna draw a dead person.
What?
So let's see. Where should I
Look,
draw?
this is. Wow, there's no way Daddy can take away all of this.
So let's see.
Looks like you're drawing a rabbit.
A rabbit.
So what's that?
Oh! What the crap? Are you serious? Leland!
Ah!
What the crap are you guys doing? Give me that phone! Oh my god!
Look at this one.
Holy crap! My garage door! What are you... Leanna! Leanna! Hey! Get away from it! My garage door! What have you guys done to my garage door? Leanna, stop! Leanna, give me that!
Now.
Leanna! Leland! Stop! Oh my god, you guys are so grounded!
It's already spray paint.
You guys are so grounded! You ruined my garage door! You guys ruined my garage door! No! This is the worst thing you guys have ever done! Holy crap! This is not gonna come off! This is not gonna come off!
Whatever, it's all your fault.
Oh my gosh! It's not gonna come off, you guys!
It's all your
No! That's not gonna come off! I'm gonna have to repaint that!
It's all your
Leland, this is the worst thing ever! You guys, this is the worst thing ever! Worst thing ever! Gosh, this is the worst thing they've ever done. I just sent them both to the rooms right now, and they are seriously grounded for like ever. This is... I'm gonna have to figure out how to clean all that. Hey, I thought I told you to go to your room! What? No, I told you guys to go to your room! I sent you guys to your bedroom! Hey!
even better than
What are you guys still doing out here? Stop it!
I got the spray paint.
Oh my gosh. Oh, those fumes. I want all that in the trash. That was for Mommy's project.
Not anymore, sucker.
That was Mommy's... Oh my god. And Mommy doesn't even know about this yet. She's gonna freak out. I'm freaking out.
Oh no.
I'm freaking out right now. Look what you... No, you guys are both seriously grounded for like a year.
No, you're not. Look.
You know how much garage doors cost?
Emoji.
Do you have any idea how much a garage door costs?
Let's buy one with windows, actually.
No. You know how much it costs? It's like $1,000 for a new garage door.
Yeah, but it keeps getting them.
I cannot believe this.
Mm.
Look at that. This is embarrassing. Look at this.
It's not that fair. Look at all these people.
In front of the whole neighborhood, you guys. In front of the whole neighborhood. We have like the ugliest garage door now.
No, we have to
This is horrible, you guys.
Probably the colorfulest and the funniest. But look, I drew.
This is awful.
I drew a dead person right there.
You guys are so grounded. You guys are grounded.
You are. No, you are. You're grounded.
I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this.
Not us. You are. Is this red or
Seriously, you guys, this is a new low for both of you guys.
stop it? Earth is
Legally.
Like, I am seriously gonna have to call Super Nanny or something. I don't know what to do anymore.
Super Nanny.
Or maybe have you guys make an appearance on Dr. Phil or something. I don't know. But this is just too much.
Look at this.
This is too much.
Really, Super Nanny.
It's a best masterpiece. Do you actually think it looks pretty cool? but
No,
bad?
this is awful. You guys completely ruined
I made a
our garage door.
We just made it look better.
Better? How is this better?
Look, it's a murderer, and he killed this person. Sad.
I cannot believe this. I have had enough of these kids.
What? What happened?
They spray painted the garage door with your spray paint.
No.
Yes, I am serious.
Don't trick me. They wouldn't do something like
No,
that.
I am serious.
No.
Yes. Our
Yeah.
garage door.
No. Like, they wouldn't actually do that.
No, they did.
Did it? Yeah.
Like the inside of the garage door?
No, the outside.
Of the house?
Yes. Where the whole neighborhood, there's people outside laughing at us right now.
They use the spray paint I just got
Yes.
for the
Yeah.
art project?
Yes. Yes.
No.
While you were in here filming London, the kids, I was taking a nap, and then I was taking out the trash, and I found the kids with those spray paint bottles, spray painting the garage door, and by then it was too late. They've already covered the entire garage door.
Why? I can't. Do they know how much? Like, those are expensive doors.
I told them it's like $1,000.
They spray painted it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like one little spot?
No, the entire thing. The entire thing.
I can't believe it.
Both of
What are we
them.
gonna do?
I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do.
What are we gonna do?
We need a new garage door now. I don't know what to do. I seriously don't know what to do. I'm really upset right now. Leanna!
This is all fake, and never do this at home. We are professional doofuses.
Oh, you're definitely a doofus.
Yeah.
And we're getting a new garage. Yeah, that actually has windows. Yeah.
Oh, shit. Talkie.
We're losing the ground. Oh, I love spray painting.
Oh, shiitake and mushrooms. Mushrooms.
Mushrooms.
I barely had enough room for that.
Oh, I like that.
Oh, shiitake
I like
mushrooms.
that.
Yeah. There was a key spray pen $1,002 on the Dallas garage store. JD West 95,000 Swapos Espresso by all Shoutout mushrooms. The link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check them out. And remember, like if you like, and comment down below if you want to see more reactions like this one. And subscribe if you want to. Include the post to be notified from below. In the button.